man, what's going on? What? Hey.
How we doing? Drive without any headlights on, man. You get your parking lights on. There you go. Got your driver's license, proof of insurance on you. I'm sorry? Okay. Why do you have alcohol in your vehicle? Go into shut your car for me, my man. I'll have you step out. Just keep your hands where I can see them.
I ain't got none now.
That's fine. Just turn around, put your hands on the car. Put your hands on the car for me. Put your hands on your back. I'm going to detain you right now. How much have you had to drink tonight? I'm sorry?
Can I get my...
Don't tense up on me. Do not tense up on me.
That's right.
You're about to create more problems than it's worth.
I know I ain't even trying to do that.
Then why are you keep pulling away from me? You literally just tried.
No, I'm just saying. I just wanted to grab my phone.
Well, that's not going to happen right now, okay? Don't move. Just hey, what's your name? What's your name? We'll get through this, okay? But right now, you're being detained, okay? So how much have we had to drink? Because I smell it coming off you pretty good. You're slurring your words really bad. Also smell marijuana. So how much have we had? So go 32, roll me another car. I got one to 10. Got it. Hold on. I'm gonna pat you down. Anything on you I need to know about?
Nah.
Okay, just face my car. Only face my car, okay?
3231, send around, all okay?
Yeah, I'm good. All right, take a seat for me, okay?
I'm just saying I ain't even got none, but listen, I ain't listen.
Just
I ain't got none, listen.
Keep your feet in there. All right. So you don't have any ID on you? What's your social security number?
What?
What's your social security number? Or something I need to go off of, okay? Are you refusing to identify yourself?
Identify myself for what?
You're being detained on a traffic stop right now.
A traffic?
Yeah. You're driving without headlights on. You have an open container of alcohol.
You see my mama right there, bro.
Your mama?
Yeah, nigga on the picture.
Okay, that's not you though, okay?
I'm saying
so
that's my mama, so look me up.
What is your name?
Man.
Listen, if you don't tell me your name, I'm just going to book you under John Doe and you won't get out of jail until you tell us who you are. So what is your name?
I'm saying, bro, that's my mama,
okay,
bro.
The vehicle.
Oh, and I've been drinking and driving.
Yes, you have.
But I ain't.
Okay.
That's my mama's car, bro.
Can you search his car? He's got open container alcohol in the center console, and he's drunk off his ass.
He's got a little bit of weed right here in the car door.
Okay. He's on PRC right now too.
What?
Post. Yeah.
Hey.
Where's your phone at, sir? Where's your phone at in there?
My phone in the car.
I'm sorry?
My phone in the car.
Anything else in the car you need?
Man.
I'm sorry? Okay, I guess not. All right.
Yeah. Hey, man, can I get, man, what's up?
Well, right now your car's getting towed, okay? I'm taking you back to the PD. We're going to do field sobriety test back at my police department, okay?
What?
Mm-hmm.
Do some what?
Field sobriety tests.
What is that?
Or check if you're okay to drive.
Man, nah, man.
Well, if you don't do it, I'm going to tell your parole officer and all that stuff, so either way, you know. But we'll discuss that when we get back.
What?
All right, where's the key for your car at?
Huh?
Where's the key to your car at?
Man, y'all won't even let me show y'all, bro, what y'all want,
I didn't tell you to get
bro.
out of the car. Step back in the car.
I'm saying.
You need to chill out. Okay, where's the key to the car? Where's the key to the car, sir? Because if we don't get the key, we're just going to drag it on the tow truck that's going to get damaged, and I don't want to do that to your car.
Man, I'm saying y'all won't even let me show y'all, bruh.
You're not getting out. Get back in the car.
Okay.
You're about to get a resisting charge.
Okay.
Where's the key to the car?
Man, y'all won't even let me show y'all.
Okay. Get back in the car.
Can I show?
Step back in the car. Kick your feet in the car. We'll just tow it. Fuck him. Fuck him. Clyde, step out for me. Are you going to be cool if I get you out of handcuffs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So.
I've been driving and drinking.
Do what?
Driving and drinking.
You have or haven't been?
Nah, that's all I did.
That's all you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you said you're okay to drive if I didn't bring you back here?
I'm just. Nah, I ain't. I'm saying you could call my mama and let her come get her car.
Well, unfortunately, you're suspended. So,
Yeah,
you can't be driving anyway.
That's what I'm saying.
So, here's the deal, man. I'm going to run you through field sobriety tests, okay?
For what?
Because
you. I'm just zipping down my jacket though. Like,
okay,
man,
so
you
if
know,
you're not,
I
listen,
work
here's the deal.
like
If I don't pick up clues, you're not going to get charged with OVI, but you are going to get charged with open container and driving under suspension.
Nah, that.
Okay?
Yeah,
That's those are tickets, okay? But that's where we are right now, okay? One, you can't be driving. You got a lot of open suspensions. Two, you got an open container in the car. That's a problem too.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
I understand. Look, I'm gonna back up. I understand. I'm under arrest. Like, you feel me? So you ain't gotta beat around the bush and all that with me with that. Like, so I understand that. But at least if you gon', I ain't. Give my mama her car back or what?
The car's getting towed regardless, okay? It is what.
Okay.
You can get it out.
So
she can still get it out.
I'm under arrest.
Okay, so I got some questions I got to ask you. Do you have any back injuries?
No.
Do you have any chronic back injuries?
Yeah.
What kind of back injuries do you have?
What do you mean?
Like, what's wrong with your back? Is what I'm asking.
I work. You see?
I know, I understand that, but you said you have a back injury. So what type of back injury do you have?
Nah.
You don't have any back injuries?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any head injuries?
What?
Do you have a head?
Man, can you take me in?
No,
if you gonna take me
there's
in.
a thing that I gotta do.
No, I ain't none of that.
So you're not gonna you're not gonna do tests?
Man, can we go?
No, we can't go. There's stuff that I have to do.
No.
So are you
ain't nothing you got. What?
Stand back over here.
Man, can we get in the car?
Stand back
please,
over here
sir?
for me. Stand over here.
Cover me up.
Stand right here.
No, ain't not. Man, what's going? What? Man. Sir, Lynn, they hurting me. 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 Man,
Stop it.
man, ain't nothing.
That's clear.
Sir, stop. Stop. Turn around and face the wall. Turn around and face the wall. What? Face the wall, man.
They hurting me.
You're gonna get tased.
They hurting me. Yeah, they hurting me. They hurting me. They hurting me. Okay.
All right, stomach. All right, stomach.
Okay. Roll on your stomach. Okay. Roll on your stomach. Don't roll.
We're not gonna kill you. You need to.
Man, don't kill me.
We're not going to.
Man, then why y'all doing this to me?
You're not listening.
Huh?
You need to roll
I
on your
am.
stomach.
But nah, y'all ain't about to. Man, why y'all doing this to me? For what? For what? For what? For what?
Stop. For what?
What y'all doing this for?
Put your hands behind your back.
Man, I ain't even do nothing, bruh. I've been drinking and driving that shit.
You're about to get sprayed.
For what? For what? For what? What did I do? And you what? Hit me in my face? For what?
Stomach.
I ain't even do nothing. What? Y'all crazy, bruh. Oh my grandma.
Drag him away from the car.
What? The f y'all do this to me for?
Get that arm.
Oh my grandma. Y'all crazy, bruh. For what? Cause I've been drinking?
9-4, cancel a drive. Cancel one drive.
What?
Get the drive. Open the drive.
It's gonna be on TV.
Yeah. The drive will.
Yeah, it is.
You alright?
Cause I've been drinking?
Because you weren't listening to us.
Man, y'all crazy, bro.
You weren't
Y'all
listening.
want me this man.
Alright, let's get you up. You don't let lay all day.
Yeah,
Let's get up.
Y'all tripping.
Let's get up.
Man, y'all let, bruh. Y'all know what it is, bruh.
Yep.
That's enough.
And I ain't
Yeah,
even
but-
doing nothing,
For
bruh.
this, though.
For getting kids on the officer need assistance,
crazy,
4200
bruh.
Line Street, 2041.
And the whole time I was calm, bruh. Like I was beating my ass, bruh.
Nobody beat your ass. You alright? You hurt? See, you just got assault on a PO, my friend.
EMS at the door.
Oh, what?